behind you, look at the walls that exit.
You want me to call it up to Dara? Katie from Ed. Katie from Ed. Katie from Ed. So folks, just as we go in underneath this wee half arch here, I'm going to get you to turn your head and look up to the right hand side here, and you're going to be looking up into what is known as the Grand Gallery. It's one of the biggest chambers in this cave system, and it runs for about 1.5 kilometres away off in that direction. So that's as tall as a cathedral there in places, and in certain parts it's as wide as a football pitch. So Martel gave it that name, by the way. So we've had a battery failure here, that's why we're paddling.
You're weak for electricity.
Sorry?
You're weak for electricity.
Down, sorry? Sorry, the question you're asking me?
I didn't ask him now. You
Oh,
say
sorry.
it's not your week for electricity with the lights going now.
Yeah. Just remain seated here, folks. We will come alongside the jetty here, and then we get you tied up and we get you out.
This makes it a different experience.
Yeah. That's the first time I've had the paddle. Yeah.